So today I thought I would do a little vlog. I'm about to go to Marshall's and Target and pick up some things that I wanted to get for coffee, and I was gonna come back here and show you 3 different recipes on coffee. Bradley and I's everyday coffee, which is a iced vanilla latte. We make it every day. It's amazing, way better than Starbucks. I said it. Yeah. And we are big Starbucks fans. If you've been here before, you would know that. We used to get Starbucks quite literally every day. But I have an espresso machine and we make coffee every day at home now, and it's way cheaper obviously, and it tastes really, really good. Like really good. Yeah, and I was gonna make 2 others that I really like from Starbucks, which is an iced white mocha with vanilla sweet cream cold foam, and then a chocolate cream cold brew. So I'm gonna go pick up some items I need for those 2 and bring you guys along. Then we're gonna come back here and I'm gonna show you guys how I make those 3 coffees so that you can save money and make delicious coffee at home. Okay, I just got to Marshall's. I'm gonna head on in, and I'm here for like coffee ingredients, but you know, I'm gonna look around. Let's go in. So, Marshall's, I just left Marshall's and I got one thing for the coffee, which was a syrup. It's a Torani syrup. It's wrapped up. I'm not gonna unwrap it, but it's a white chocolate one, which I've been looking for, and they haven't had it. So I'm glad that they had it, but I'll give you guys a little Marshall's haul because I did find some cute things. So I showed this. It's a little fake plant. It's really cute. I think it'll look nice in the entryway in a little white vase. Cute. And it was $16.99, so love that. And then I got a couple more things, some greenies for Oakley, a little toy for him, I got some underwear, and then I got a little like tennis skirt because Bradley and I have been playing pickleball. I thought this would be really cute to wear, so that is everything I got from Marshall's. So now I'm gonna run into Target. I just parked here. Now I just got here, so I'm gonna run in, grab a few more things for the coffee. I'll probably get something also to make for dinner tonight, and yeah. Okay, I'm home now and I'm gonna do a little Target haul. I didn't film at Target at all, but I got milk and then like Starbucks cold brew coffee, which is in the fridge already, and then I got stuff for dinner tonight, noodles, spaghetti, super basic, but whatever. Okay. And then for one of the coffees, the chocolate cream cold brew, I got Hershey's cocoa powder and then some chocolate sauce just for some pizzazz. And then I got a new frother because I don't know where mine is, but now that I think about it, I don't have batteries. Hairspray. This one just like looked good and I have none, so thought I'd try that one. Concealer, I'm like ow, and I've heard the e.l.f. camo concealer is good. Thumbtacks. Super random stuff. The best. Why is it wet on the bottom? I don't think that's anything. I think he put like the coffee with it, so it's wet. Okay. The best pasta sauce. And then for just some extra pizzazz for this video, I got some cups for coffees that I thought would be cute. Like, how cute is this cup? So cute. Oh, look at my face. Really cute cup for coffee. This little guy for the like foam. How cute. This one. How cute is that? So cute. So that's everything I got. Yeah, that's everything I got from Target. Now I'm gonna make Bradley a iced vanilla latte, just the basic everyday one. That's what we're gonna start off with because it is the one I make the most. So let's just get right on into it. It's super easy. So I'm gonna let Oakley in and then make his coffee. Okay, so this is so easy. I use the Breville barista espresso maker, and it's amazing, but you do not need a really expensive espresso maker. You can get a more affordable one or an espresso if you have one, but if you have this one, that's great too, but you're gonna need espresso. This is just what I use. They sell like way cheaper ones. So yeah, but I just have this and this is what I use. So, and then currently I gotta show you. These are the beans that we got for it. It doesn't really matter. These were on clearance. That's why we got them. Press it in there. Give it a twist and then add a little more. I just put it on there. And then I use this cup that comes with it. I'm not sure the measurement of this, but if I find it, I will put it on screen what the measurement of this, but this is how I measure. The entire latte is in this. So I just start out, I put some vanilla syrup. This is a French vanilla Turini syrup I got from Marshall's. And I put about that much in there, which is about like right here in the cup. So it's like that much. And then I just pour the espresso over, double shot. So yeah, this is so like, I feel like I'm over explaining, but that's okay. We're just gonna do it. And once that's done, it's literally already got the vanilla in it. So I just get milk. I just use whole milk. You can use any milk you want though. Literally just alter to taste, but I fill it like right to the top. And then get a mason jar or any cup filled with ice and pour it right over, and it is done. Ooh. Yum, I always spill, so 1 minute. It is done. That's how we make our iced lattes like every day. It's so good every single time. Bradley and I both think it's better than Starbucks, so, and we are really into Starbucks, so we really like it. And now go deliver it, even though my socks do not match. That's embarrassing, but it's so good. So good every single time. Hi.
Alright.
Here you go. Are you gonna spill it?
No.
Got it?
Oh, maybe.
Okay, we'll put it right here. Now I'm gonna make a chocolate cream cold brew, chocolate cream cold foam over cold brew, a Starbucks favorite, but my version. And I'm really excited because I've actually never made this before, but I think it's really simple, and actually it is really simple, so we're just gonna get right on into it. Cold brew, so you don't even need an espresso machine. Hold on, I'm trying to find it. Restart. This next one's so easy, you don't need an espresso machine. This one's the chocolate cream cold brew. I'm just using this iced coffee in a bottle. You can make your own cold brew, get whatever cold brew you prefer. I just got this vanilla one, and that's what I'm gonna use. But first, I'm going to put chocolate in the cup for fun. That's okay. Put the ice in the cup. Just pour to there. Yum. And then we're gonna do the rest. You can't even see the chocolate now, but that's okay. We're gonna do the what is it called? The foam now. I actually found my old frother, so we can use that. But I have cocoa powder here that I'm gonna put in first. A little bit of cocoa powder in there. Probably about a tablespoon of cocoa powder. I'm gonna just add vanilla because cocoa powder is not sweet. It's just gonna give you that chocolate flavor, but it's not gonna taste very sweet. So add probably 2 tablespoons of that, and then get heavy whipping cream and pour that all the way up. Well, not all the way, but like whatever. I'm gonna have leftovers, but that's okay. This stuff is incredible. It's so good. Also, here Oakley Barkin. Sorry, that's my life. But we're just gonna froth this up.
Oh, you're making the
chocolate, yeah. If it'll froth. No. Okay, it finally thickened up. It tastes so good. If this is this might be the coffee like to take from this video because it is delicious. Also spilled a little, but just pour that over the top. Oh my gosh. I spill every single time that I make a coffee, but that's okay. A little bit. Oh, yeah.
Dang, we're really gonna have to buy more food.
Alright. So good. We're gonna taste test it. Since I've never made it, I don't even know what it tastes like, but I think it's gonna taste really good because the foam is delightful. Well, that's a big word. It's beautiful. Gotta get some foam off first. No complaining though. That's too good. I haven't gone through the coffee yet, but you need to make this foam. It tastes exactly like Starbucks, and it's so good. It's just so good. So good. I got to the coffee. That is so good. You need to sip the whole thing. Pick it. You just got foam. The foam's good though. Rate it.
10.
You have it like all over.
That's like
a 10. That's like better than the Starbucks one.
Coffee later. I couldn't drink that in the morning.
A good evening, like dessert after dinner coffee. We have one more coffee I'm going to show you guys, which is the classic vanilla. No, what am I saying? The classic ice white mocha with vanilla sweet cream cold foam. The viral one that's been popping ever since it went viral on TikTok. I don't add caramel though because I don't like caramel at all. So, also, do you say caramel or caramel? I've always said caramel. I feel like that's the way it's spelt. Just getting that same cup, basically just like the first one. This time though, I am gonna add white chocolate syrup. You could use actual white chocolate sauce. I just couldn't find any at the store, so I'm just going in with the white chocolate syrup. Pretty much doing the same thing like I did with the vanilla, but with this one, about to like here. And then pour the espresso on over. Once that's done, I give it a little swirl. And then again, we use whole milk. Use whatever kind of milk you want. So that right there, which I have a lot left over. So this could make 2 in a small cup like this. And then I'm just gonna grab my little milk jar. This one's much simpler. You're just gonna get your vanilla syrup and add a little bit of in there. And then grab your heavy whipping cream and put that in. This one's frothing up way faster because it's just the 2 ingredients. So once it's done, you're just gonna pour it over the top. And of course, if you like caramel, you can add that just like the Starbucks one. This is some really thick foam though. But just pour that on over. It's really thick. Oh, that was a lot. Okay. And then it is done. Yum. Okay. So here's this coffee. It is so beautiful. I love the foam. It is just so good for anything. Like, this foam has changed the game. I know that when it's like Christmas time and making hot chocolate, instead of buying whipped cream, I'm just gonna make foam and put it on top because this is incredible. It literally is whipped cream, just homemade. This is very, very good. And they are so delicious. That is how I make 3 different copycat Starbucks coffee lattes, whatever you want to call them. and they are all so good. I want you guys to try them at home. Send me pictures on Instagram, post them on your stories, tag me, comment below if you made them and how you like them. And yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm gonna end this video here. I need to cook dinner, it's getting late. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.